Hey guys, I'm finally getting rid of my legendary oven. Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, I'm getting rid of my oven. After 8 long years and serving me very faithfully and doing the things that ovens do, I finally have to bid farewell to this beast of a kitchen tool. I thought it deserved its own video. I mean, the amount of comments that were left over the years on my oven have been insane. I mean, if you look at the oven, it literally looks like some kind of artifact or prop from a horror movie. I mean, it has been through hell and back, quite literally. This oven was actually a gift given to me by my friends and my wife 8 years ago for my birthday. That's the time Headbanger's Kitchen had just started. I was getting into cooking quite a bit. I was making bacon bombs and burgers and selling them over the weekend, and they thought this would be the perfect gift for me. So yeah, I mean, I just thought I'd share a little bit of the history of this oven with you. So I got it 8 years ago, and this oven has literally, I mean, it's been my friend, my family for the last 8 years. I've cooked over 300 bacon bombs in this, which is why it looks the way it does. Can you imagine bacon bombs, like 300 of them being cooked? Like, I would sell bacon bombs on the weekend, so I would get maybe an order for like 20 bacon bombs in a day. So 8 in the morning I'd start cooking and I'd finish by like 10 in the night. And the bacon bomb, if you've ever made it, you know that it's got bacon and barbecue sauce, and you know it's a splatter hazard. So the inside of this oven is lined with the souls of 1,000 dead pigs for sure. I mean, we've baked cakes in this. It's there in my flourless chocolate cake recipe. That's where most of the comments came from about the disgusting oven. And the truth is, even though it didn't look very good after about 3-4 years of use, I still kept it because it worked perfectly, and I did not want to throw away a perfectly fine working piece of equipment, because there is a lot of waste in the world today. So anything that we can do to minimize that waste is great. But now it's come to a point where it is not functioning properly, and that is why I'm getting rid of it. When you max out the temperature as well to 250 degrees, it doesn't get even to 200 degrees. So the internal temperature is no longer working properly. The door squeaks like crazy. Listen to this sound. Isn't that like the mouth of hell? It doesn't even close properly anymore. So I think this oven has served its purpose now, and it's time for me to buy a new one. And since this has been such an integral part of Headbanger's Kitchen, I genuinely believe that it deserved this video. So I'm in the market now for a new oven, and of course I live in India, so my options are limited, but I'm sure I will have no trouble finding a worthy replacement. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas of what I should get, feel free to let me know in the comments. And you know what, when I get the new oven, I'll do a special unboxing video as well. But anyway, till the next episode, enough jibber jabber from me. Cheers and keep cooking.